even more quieter now. It's
No,
more.
right next to it on the next one.
Well, it's really, really quiet.
On the next one.
Both.
I can't hardly hear it.
The engineering works must have been a level crossing. The engineering works. That's the engineering works must have been a change of Poole. It must have been a change. It's gone even quieter for level crossing.
It's got away from level crossings alarming Lincoln.
It's quieter for Brayford. It's quiet.
Even game side's quiet. Is that the phone 2 alarm or the game side one?
No, game side doesn't have an alarm in it. No, game side doesn't. And phone 2's got a really quiet one. The engineers
Right next to it on the next one.
I can wait next to it now. Can't you want to hold on to your iPads? It's really quiet. I want to hold on to it. It's really quiet.
Hold on to it.
Oh, I don't think those alarm squirrels scare me.
Central's 5 times louder than this one. Yeah, it's got 4.
Dad, is going to be a blue train. Would it wave a blue train? No, would it? Try white one if it doesn't. This is Poole level crossing.
New crossing.
We're not allowed. This is Poole level crossing. Even newer now. This. Yeah.
It's the party.
No. Oh wait, it's blue train. No. What do you wave? No. Phone you side again. Hey, scary barriers. We stayed for the 9:58. We've stayed. Well, oh, we're staying down. Please look this way. Look. There it goes, and it's very quiet now.
It's very quiet, so don't you put your fingers in your ears, do you?
So it goes, no. Batteries are running.
What's the next one?
9:58.